Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Discord and using Discord on computer. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening a Chrome browser and tap on to search here Discord. Tap on this, click on download. And shown here to more version, iOS, Android, Mac. Now I'm using Windows, so click on download for Windows. Now continue to download process. Click on Okay, now successfully download and install Discord. And if you want to register or login account, so that's how you can easily download and install Discord account from your computer